When you're drawing in Onshape, you may find yourself needing additional planes. Usually, the top, front, and right planes are enough to get started. Sometimes they're not. An example of this might be when you're intending to create a loft. You want to create two sketches which may be parallel to each other. When those three normal planes aren't enough, you need to add your own plane. Creating a new plane is as simple as clicking on the plane tool here. Typically, the default option will be to create an offset plane. The entities variable here needs to be selected. In this variable box, you can select any of the pre-existing planes. And you'll see there, as I select each of those planes, a preview is appearing with an offset distance of 25 millimeters. Can of course click this arrow here to change that to the opposite direction, and of course click in the box there and change the distance. Your new plane will now be labeled plane 1, or if you choose to rename the plane, it will adopt whatever name that you give it. As you can see, it was very simple for me to create an offset plane, and if I were building a loft, I would now easily be able to create my two sketches and create the loft feature from those two sketches. Planes can also be created from the face of an existing body, such as in these examples here. Another handy tool called the Midplane allows you to select two faces of a body and create a plane in the midpoint of that body. That is a very useful tool. Another very useful tool is the 3-point plane, which allows you to select 3 points on a body and create a plane that joins those 3 points together. There are several other methods of creating planes that can be chosen in that drop-down menu, which I'll leave to address in future video. For now, I'd just like to leave it at the offset. The midplane, and the 3-point. If you were wondering how you might create a sketch in a position that there isn't a plane existing for, that's how you do it. You create your own plane wherever you want it. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.